Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Meron po tayong good news. Tungkol po ito sa PBB 2023 ng DepEd. Sabi daw ni House Deputy Minority Leader at saka ACT Teachers Representative Antonio Teño sa interpellation ng Development Budget Coordination Committee, Department of Budget and Management DBM Secretary Amina Pangandaman, na nireveal niya na ang performance-based bonus for Department of Education DepEd teachers in 2025, specifically for their FY 2023 performance, is set to be released. Wow! The DBM's positive decision comes after sustained advocacy by teachers groups and progressive lawmakers for the immediate release of the long-delayed bonus for teachers have rightfully earned. Sabi po ni Teño, nagbunga ang walang humpay na pagtutok. Nagbunga ang walang humpay na pagtutok natin at ng mga guro sa loob at labas ng Kongreso. Positibo ang naging desisyon sa apila kaya matutuloy na ang pagbibigay ng 2023 PBB sa mga guro at kawani ng DepEd. While the DBM has already approved the release, Teño emphasized that other government agencies have yet to sign off on the implementation, causing further delays for the deserving recipients. We urge all concerned agencies to expedite the processing and release of this bonus. Our teachers and government employees have been waiting far too long for what is rightfully theirs. They need this financial assistance now, especially given the continued rise in the cost of living. Ito po yung sabi ni ACT Teacher Representative Teño. Sabi ng ACT Teacher na yung PBB represents recognition of the dedicated service of government workers, particularly teachers, who have continued to serve despite challenging working conditions and inadequate compensation. This victory is a statement of power of collective action and sustained advocacy. We will continue to monitor the implementation to ensure that every qualified government employee receives their due bonus without further delay. Ito po yung sabi ni Representative. So, good news po yan mga ka-Jesnabs, ano? Sana agahan ito nang ito ay magamit natin sa mga estudyante natin, di po ba? O tayo sa pamilya na estudyante. Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye!